Alright guys, day 3, headed back out to the farm. As you can see, it's pretty much already daylight. The plan today, we only have a couple people that are going to be in the woods, so we're just going to show up at, like, once you can see in the woods, we're going to start walking around, trying to push deer to each other. I don't know if we're going to have any luck with that or not. On a side note, YouTube, screw off, man. Now they're not even letting me monetize these little hunting adventure videos, which I had no issues with the last 2 seasons that I've done. I don't know. So I'm going to name this video something stupid other than hunting, like, you know, Northwest PA, big woods adventure, you know, something dumb. Are they killing the small channels? Yeah, they are. You know, small channels deserve a shot like the big guys, but they're pushing us out slowly but surely. But guess what, YouTube? I'm gonna still upload videos. I'm gonna take up your, I don't know, your memory banks, whatever, servers, just because I can. So I don't know, this whole thing pisses me off, but it's not a rant video, it's a hunting video. So we will catch you guys in the woods, and I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get today. I haven't put much video up because I haven't been seeing too much anything. So alright, it's like 50 degrees. This weather sucks for hunting. No snow. The deer aren't moving. So, alright, we'll catch you guys in the woods later. Little doe. How are you? Alright guys, that's it. End of day 3. No buck. Well, I think I saw a buck. There was horns on it. I don't know how big it was, and it was gone in about a second and a half, so didn't have time to make sure it was legal, so no shot was fired. Had a couple up close doe, which seems to be the the normal. Altogether, I think it was right around 13 to 15 deer in total what I saw today. Tomorrow, heading back out yet again. I'm going to try to keep these short whenever there's no shots on camera. Tomorrow I'm going to have Blue Point 3 with me. His first time out hunting. Of course, he's not actually allowed to shoot, but he wants to go out with Dad in the woods and check it out, so we're going to do that. But other than that, it was a good day for as warm as it was, and we only had 3 guys, and we saw a ton of deer. So, all right, that's going to be it. We'll catch you in the woods tomorrow. See ya.